Give her a rev. Give me a couple revs.
Oh yeah, look at all that moss in the trees. You know, we got moss, we got mosquitoes. That can only mean one thing. We're down here in Florida. And why are we in Florida? Well, your boy Zach here, myself, I don't know why I'm talking in the third person.
That's weird.
But whatever. About to go race the 2.4 Hours of LeMullets down here in Bradenton, Florida, to go race with our boy Cleater at the Freedom Factory, along with a bunch of other ridiculous people. But since I was coming down here, I wanted to stop by my buddy Brett Collins' place, see how he was doing, and he said that, you know what, he had a ride for me to, you know, be able to use while I was here, so we're gonna pick that up. If you guys are unfamiliar with Brett Collins is the founder of Collins Adapters. So, which means a lot of you probably have one of his JZ to 350Z conversion plates or adapter plates on your drift jalopy. Everybody, Brett Collins, the man behind Collins Adapters, makes all sorts of cool shit. And you know what? Making a bunch now at your house. This is rad.
Yeah, well, we brought the compound to the backyard just to be completely self-sufficient from the rest of the world. Not that I'm like one of those persons, but sounds cool.
Big time W3 prepper. No, I'm just kidding. So wait, you said that you have a vehicle for me to use. Yeah. So I see a bunch of you got a bunch of drift cars outside. Yeah. So what do you got for your boy?
The most American guy I know deserves the most American truck. AM General Humvee
Wait,
truck.
what? Yo, I get to drive this? Yes. Does this functions?
Oh yeah.
Yo, this thing's hard as bro.
Welcome to Florida.
Dude, sick. Is this street legal?
Oh yeah, 100%.
So it just drives like a normal car?
Kinda.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
All-time all-wheel drive.
Hell yeah, riding in style, Florida shit. Let's go, baby! Hell yeah. Do a little test run. See if she can. Sick. All right. Let's go do some Florida shit. All right, so we are pulling up to the Freedom Factory now, baby. It's race day. 2.4 hours of LeMullets. We got heavy hitters out here. We got Brandon Birdie. We've got NASCAR drivers. Of course, all the guys like JH Diesel, Chet, all them around here. It's gonna be a good lineup. Oh yeah, you see what's going on here. Yes, sir. So here's the deal. Since Sir Ronald Carr could not make it out, that's right, we had to find a new teammate. And what better teammate than a man that pilots a fucking third gen.
And a Miata.
This guy.
Now look, we got the whole squad tuning up this jalopy. Clearly, it's been overheated and pissed more coolant out under the hood than I'd like to say.
Got the AC delete.
Yep, man, we got a little extra horse torques here, you know, ready to rock. You know what, that's probably just sucking in hot engine bay air, you know, I should probably seal that up. This thing's been through hell. Clearly somebody took and decided to go and have their way with Old Glory here. That's all right, it's all right. All right, so here's the deal. Big Ace Diesel over here is gonna go first as far as he's gonna run the qualifying lap. Then I'm gonna run the first stint, try to keep the car together, and then he's gonna bring it home.
We need some lifted vehicles to bring home.
Damn right, damn right.
Run 12 laps, as you can see in the lower left.
And then it looks like right behind them, you're going to have the old who's at the 46. Check him out right there, Zach from Hoonigan. Then you're going to have Uncle Chet.
Birdie just pulls away.
Look at that. Jamie PFI Speed makes a nice pass going through the bus stop. Looks like 2 cars spun out. Look at that, Brad DeBerti able to hold him off. Jamie, PFI Speed, able to make a super clean pass going through the bus stop.
So, Nick, we are seeing the red flag and the checkered flag, so that will end. As you see in the bottom left-hand corner, we have crossed the 45-minute mark. We'll get our driver changed, we'll re-rack them, and we'll go for 45 more minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna do a driver switch. It's just pure chaos. Basically plagued with cautions.
All good?
Oh yeah.
Hey, you were jamming. You're like 7th fastest. What? Yeah, 24-0. Look at the dash.
Oh, sick. All right, I finished up with my stint. Got old Ace in the driver's seat now, and cars have just been regrouped. Apparently, I just missed a big wreck because I went to get this camera. What happened?
Cleese just pushing everyone around. I love it.
Well, you got to do it. What's your thoughts on this, Ryan?
Man, it was awesome, dude. I'm just so jealous that I'm not out there because I would love to be putting a bit on everybody. I'm not that great at racing, I'd say, but I would definitely be the one to get wild for sure. Oh yeah.
Brian Deegan right there, your leader, right behind him, heavy on that bumper. Brent from PFI Speed, boy.
There between the 2 leaders. Cletus just turns Brent with PFI Speed.
Unbelievable.
And the caution will fly. Up here.
Oh! Look at that. Derek, Vice Grip Garage.
He almost saved it. Almost saved it. Yeah, he just needs to hit his marks, no issues, and he does not need a caution flag.
Whereas they slam through the bus stop, can they come through without an accident? Look at that, Chad Chastain spun out.
That's what you don't like to see. Cleater got caught up. He's got a flat, but there's Justin in our 46 car. Buried to the frame rails, sitting in the dirt. Everyone's suspension's blown. Bumpers are hanging off. Exhaust dragging. This is real racing. Oh yeah. So this was the trophy. This is what I needed in my life. But you know what? It was pulled from me because of Justin's terrible driving. Look, let's do a little breakdown on this real quick, because obviously
underneath.
Yeah, I mean, now this is actually real familiar underneath. I mean, look, it's just all stock mounting points. Doesn't even, this is perfect, doesn't even have the front drive shaft. I've got an old 205 in there.
That's good stuff.
Yeah, you know, that's salvageable.
How about us inside?
Let's kick that inside out. Oh yeah, no door panels, of course.
Smells like an antique store.
It does. Oh, I love how they got the speakers zip tied into the center console here. Everything's hanging. Oh, that is a fucking light switch from a house. Hell yeah. You got a cracked windshield, of course, comes stock.
Yeah.
You know, we got 28-year-old Super Swampers that are, you know,
They're not checked
they're
too
not,
bad.
they're not too dry rotted.
WD-40 them.
They obviously, they look like they're at 80 PSI right now. Got a fabbed rear bumper on this bad boy.
The lug nut scenario is pretty sweet as well. Wouldn't want anybody to steal it.
Well, you know, and not just that. I mean, we're missing one here. Got the lock on. Oh yeah, yeah. This thing's man. I'm pretty sure the keys are in. Let's just fire. Let's see if we're fired up.
Yeah, let's fire it up.
Every day counts.
Man, this thing is clean.
Oh,
Give her a rev. Give her a rev. Wait, what's your chop rating?
Don't turn off. Hey, how do you turn this off? Goddamn.
You know how these old vintage classics are.
This thing is. Man, did you see how fast that thing fired up? Around that time, it's probably 87 degrees. 87 degrees BT TDC. Yep.
dude, I love it, man. The snap of it's so good.
Oh yeah. And the glass backs really give it the right sound, you know.
Absolutely.
All right, so our race didn't go as totally as planned, but you know what? It went probably as it was going to. How do you feel about that?
That's racing.
That's right. You just converted over to off-road, you know,
Right.
mid-race.
I mean, it turned, to like, it wasn't even like hooked up off-road. It was just like slurry off-road.
Oh yeah.
With a street tire. And it turned into just a wrecking ball city, you know, like, and you just get tapped and you go for a ride. You're on the edge of no grip the entire time, you know, it's like ice. So.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, I did too.
That's good.
Had a blast. The best kind of racing. No responsibility, no paying for cars that you're driving. This is good stuff. Cleater, you're doing it great.
Thank you, Cletus. Thank you.
Well, I guess on that note, that's a wrap.